Hey, Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and Shell and I are in Delray Beach, Florida, and we walked past a live plant wall in downtown Delray, and they were just installing it, so we thought it looked spectacular, and we thought it might be some great inspiration for, some gardeners back home. I know that I'm dying to try this on like a small strip of my wall back home, but I want to show you what that looks like and how these people install this gorgeous plant wall. So come join us. I'm here in Delray Beach, Florida with my new friend Cotton, and we're at her restaurant.
Yeah, thank you, Kelly. So I'm Chef Cotton. This is my restaurant, Costa. Costa is a contemporary American restaurant. We're located in downtown Delray Beach on Atlantic Avenue. We just started our plant wall here, which caught Kelly's attention. And it's been a work in progress over the year. But we're really excited to have the plant wall actually finished and installed. And what you'll see over the next few weeks is the plants start to grow and spread and cover the entire wall, creating this beautiful, lush background scene for us in the restaurant.
Amazing. So tell me, so the dirt's like so this is, they kind of just cut out the dirt here.
It's actually really neat, the process. So they put in a base on the wall, like actually installed the base fasten.
Like fabric? You think this is like a fabric?
Yeah, it looks like something like that to me. The woman who I met who actually did all of the work of the installation, they work through Green Harmony.
Okay.
She's the expert at this.
So Green Harmony's the one that put this in and came up with it.
They put the backing, and then they made the little flips in the material, filled the plan.
It seems like they did like a little staple gun work in here. So it seems like they actually put a slit, pulled it out, I'm assuming with their hand, filled it with some potting soil.
Yeah.
And then they put like a little bit of like a staple gun. I think that Eric's filming. Thank you, Eric, behind the course. They get too soon. You're the social media pro here. I think that they just put staple guns here. But yeah, so this was such a great idea. And then what are you going to do for water?
So it actually has a whole planned out, let's say, choreographed water. Yeah. In our easement, there's a large tank which includes the water and the nutrients from the plants. And then all along the top of the wall is the drip system.
So it's going to be coming down like a rain.
Exactly. Wow. Every night, when it cools off, it was going to come down.
Yeah, exactly. That's amazing. And tell me about the full sun. We were talking earlier.
So that was part of just because of where we are, we do get full exposure. I would say a good solid 4 to 5 hours, which is a little heavy during summertime, 100%.
Especially here in Florida, South Florida. I mean, right here, it's crazy hot.
So we did have to be selective with our plant choices. These plants here were chosen specifically to be able to withstand that long period of time of the full exposure.
It's really great. I was saying, and at one point I said, did they ever consider putting some herbs here? And I think the problem you were saying.
That was one of my requests. I thought the herbs would be really neat just because we're the kitchen and we can, pull from our fresh
organic. Everything's organic here. It's like so crazy healthy. Like you're coming for your morning smoothie. Everything's so fresh. So that would have been great. But
a big part of the restaurant is locally sourced. So sustainability, locally sourced. We work with 5 local farms.
Oh, wow.
Florida.
That's why it's so fresh. But once again, those herbs just couldn't take that.
Yeah, it was too hot.
Yeah. So, but that's amazing. So, guys, if you're in Delray Beach, come by, see Cotton. I want you to meet Eric real best because he's so fun. He's like, oh, I'm sorry. He's like throwing his head back right now. I got to throw you under the bus there, Eric.
We go by Eric with a K.
Eric with a K, and I love it.
I've been working with Cotton for about 6 months now.
And
he's great.
Basically does social media, bartending, the everything.
Bartender, server, wherever you guys.
And when Sheldon and I walked by, we were literally stalking this wall, and Eric popped out. He's like, hey guys, how you doing? And I was like, oh my God, these people think we're there. And he's like, no, come on in, we gotta see the place. And so I'm gonna actually take you inside real quick right now because I wanna show you the spectacular way that they decorated this place, because it's like everything that they do is just magic here. So come see them. Thank you so guys, you're the awesome off the bat. Now we're inside the restaurant, and I wanna show you some of the beautiful decorations that are here, some of the beautiful centerpieces, and even some of the paintings. I mean, they're spectacular. First of all, take a look at the lighting. So fun, but check out these very simple but spectacular arrangements that Cotton picked out. So she actually found these tall grasses on Amazon. I'm going to find a link and put it in descriptions below. And she said when she bought them, they were like very tightly wrapped, and they have like instructions on you know, how to open them, let them kind of air out, and then you have this gorgeous, gorgeous, you know, dried arrangement for your home or your restaurant. And it's just so beautiful when you walk in here. It's so refreshing. It feels like you're at the beach. And on the bottom of these, you know, just very simple, elegant, gorgeous vases, she's got some beautiful seashells. So that was a nice way to kind of anchor out the arrangement. And so I thought that was a great idea. But these are like, you just want to reach out and touch them. So once again, I'll put a link to that in Amazon descriptions below. And then here's the rest of the restaurant. Really beautiful paintings. And this is just a little inspiration for your own homes or businesses or, you know, wherever your space is. So good job, Cotton. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and please say hi to us over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page. You can also find us on TikTok, and I made a whole bunch of podcasts for you. You can find those wherever you listen to your podcast. And know that I made a whole bunch of online flower courses for you with easy to follow tips on how to grow beautiful flowers just like these in your own garden. I will put all of those in descriptions below. And please also let me know where you're viewing this from in this great, big, beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. Also check out our Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group, because there's thousands of gardeners from all over the world, and they're asking and answering loads of garden questions over there. And know that YouTube has allowed me to have a super thanks button attached to this channel. And if you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee or let us know if you appreciate these videos, that would be terrific. Or you could just give us a like or a comment below. I would appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next video.